Welcome back to another round of Exploding Record Roulette. We have some new contenders. We've got Polka Patty and her very nicely pleated ass partner there. We've got the old Discovery, perfectly functional 35mm camera. Fuck you hipsters. We've got the Panasucket, our 4-speed CD player. We've got Cyborg Sexual Assault Susie, right? And her partner there, Handsy Dave. And then we got the Jack Awful Lantern. Now, Luscious Lori's neck, still broken. Haven't bothered to fix it. And My Little Stony, yeah, no one gives a crap about him anymore. So I thought we'd introduce these new players. This is a completely plastic record, which means I doubt I'll be able to pop it. So I do have the gun, and we are going to cheat. Or at least I expect to cheat. So here we go. Yeah, I cheated. Nice carnage, though. Nice carnage. Oh! First off, Polka Patty and Captain Pleated Pants. You can see why I call him that there. Look at the size! That's 3/8 plywood. We got immersion from the backside. Sexual Assault Susie took another one to her tuner box. Jack Awful Lantern. Whoa! Whoa! Jack Awful Lantern took a powerful hit. Blew his battery door open. Hey, look at that. C's. When's the last time you saw C's? Oh, the camera. Camera looks to be the one that might have taken the biggest hit. Start off with, it has no battery in it, but the LCD screen still shows number 0. Missing the whole front cover. Panasucket had the battery. That was a hell of a record. That record, by the way, was Polka Fun. Polka Fun. Certainly was fun for us.